Your literature review is probably a total disaster because you are still relying on basic search bars. Most people just type in keywords and hope for the best. They let some basic algorithm guess what they need. That is a massive mistake. The real pros have moved on to citation-based discovery. This method does not guess. It maps the actual web of human knowledge. If 10 papers in your list all point to the same study, you need that study. It is that simple. This is not about some robotic AI trying to be clever. It is about following the trail that researchers already blazed for you. Let us talk about the big three players in this space. First, you have the quick start king. It is called connected papers. You drop in one single seed paper and it explodes into a visual graph. You get about 50 related studies instantly. I love the way it handles the flow of time. You can look at the foundational works that build the field. These are the classics everyone has to cite. Then you can flip the view to see the derivative works. This shows you exactly where the field went next. It is intuitive. It is fast. There is basically no learning curve at all. You get 5 free graphs every month to test the waters. It is the perfect place to get your bearings before you sink 40 hours into a project. But what if you need to go deeper? That is where things get interesting. Litmaps is the one the elite universities are obsessed with right now. Harvard and Cambridge use it for a reason. It plots everything on a beautiful two-dimensional grid. One side is the date. The other side is the citation count. This creates a gold mine in the top right corner. That is where you find the most relevant, most recent work. It is like a heat map for scientific breakthroughs. Then we have the big shift from late 25. Research Rabbit was acquired by the Litmaps team. Now they share the same massive database and infrastructure. So why pick one over the other? It comes down to how your brain prefers to work. Research Rabbit has this incredible feature called the rabbit hole trail. It tracks every single step you take through the literature. You can see exactly how you got from your starting point to a paper 3 hops away. It is about the narrative of your search. It is for the person who wants to trace their own logic and never get lost. Litmaps is for the power user who wants total control and deep filters. They are basically 2 different interfaces for the same powerful engine. You should start your morning with a simple visual graph to see the general landscape. Once the review gets serious, you move your data over to the map. You can sync it with your favorite reference manager tools. Everything stays organized and clean. No more lost tabs. No more forgotten papers. This is how you actually win at research today. You use the human network. You let the connections do the heavy lifting. It makes the whole process feel less like a chore and more like a hunt. You are finding the hidden links that everyone else misses. That is the real secret to a perfect paper. It is not about working harder. It is about using the smarter map to find your way through the noise. Stop staring at a blank search bar. The answers are already there in the citations. You just need the right lens to see them. This shift in workflow changes everything for your next project. It turns a mountain of data into a clear, navigable path. You just have to start walking.